How can you adjust your photo size, your image size, your JPEG size on your Mac computer? Hello, my name's Chet Davis. I'm delighted to be your technology tutor. Following up in a series of short videos about the importance of image size, of resolution size, of size for your photos that you're using to promote yourself on the internet, on the web, whether it's your website or a blog, in an email newsletter, whatever it is. We've talked about the importance of selecting the proper image file format and then adjusting the size, the importance of size. Now today I want to show you how to adjust the size easily if you're on an Apple computer, a Mac computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. Now every Mac computer has a program called Preview, P-R-E-V-I-E-W, Preview. The easiest way to find that is open the search bar and press Command and Spacebar, and type the word Preview, and you see the program that looks like this when you spell it properly. Chet, okay? And then just double click or two left click, and here's the program. And what you want to do is click Open, and you're provided with this Finder window. Now, I've selected my desktop because I know there's a photo there. All right. Now here's the photo we played with yesterday in the video where we talked about two different sizes. And you can see this is the beautiful shot of the Golden Gate Bridge, thank you very much, that I captured this past week as the foam splashed into the seawall and sprayed in front of me. Actually got my shoes wet too. But before I change the photo size, maybe I want to use or at least have available this photo size as its full resolution. So first thing we want to do is duplicate this. So let's come over here to File, and we're still on the, you see we're in the Finder window here. We're going to go ahead and duplicate that photo. So it gives me a copy. That way I still have the original full size right here. Now, how do I know what the resolution is? In other words, if my program says, hey, Chet, for the GoToWebinar application, you need a photo that's no larger than 200 pixels wide. How do we figure that out? Press Command-I, Command-I, Command and the letter I. It opens up the info box, letter I for info, and it tells me right here, see this? Dimensions are 3024 by 3024. I want to get that down to 200 by 200. Here's how we do that. Open the photo inside of Preview. I double clicked on it. You could click Open and open it up. Then what we're going to do is go up to Preview, Tools, and Adjust Size. Preview, Program, Tools, Adjust Size, and let go. And it allows me to adjust the pixel size. Now, if you want to follow along exactly what I'm doing, make sure you have this selector here set to pixels and not percent. So 3000 pixels, I want to reduce it to 200, and you can see it keeps the proportions because I have this box clicked here. Now I'm going to choose to change the resolution to 300 pixels per inch, otherwise known as 300 dots per inch. You may have seen 300 DPI. That will give me a decent quality image for what I'm doing. We'll explain that a little more deeply in another video coming up. But keep that there, and then left click OK. And now you can see when I click View, it's a much smaller image size. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Save, Command S for Save. And you can see there's the image, right? That's the one we just changed. So we reduced it from 9.5 megabytes down to only 71 kilobytes. What I also choose to do is double click here and change this now and say, okay, this is an image that's 200 pixels wide. That way when I'm searching for it later, I know the size. So I've changed that full resolution image, which used to be the one on the right here, down to this little postage stamp on the left. Now, again, that's required for some applications, and a smaller image size like this, if you're using it on your website, will load much more quickly for your audience. Chet Davis saying thank you for joining me today. I hope you found that interesting, useful. If you have follow-up questions or maybe questions that will lead to a future tutorial, a future video lesson, please submit them in the question box below, or you can send me an email to chet, C-H-E-T, @yourtechnologytutor.com. In tomorrow's video, I'll show you how you can adjust the size of an image in a browser-based tool that you can use on a Mac or Windows computer.